You know, on Instagram, where people say comment a certain word like show me, and they send you a PDF or a link to their website back. You can do the same thing in YouTube. And you can do it for free, and you can do it using a simple automation and using make.com and integration with YouTube. So I'm going to take you through how to build that in this video. It's very simple. It's only like a 5-minute video, so hope you like it. What you need, first of all, you need a make.com account. It's free for 1,000 runs a month, and that's quite a lot. Go to make.com, or there should be a link down below. Create an account, and once you're logged in, this is what it looks like when you're logged in. I'm going to say top right, create a scenario. So I'm building my automation now. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to type or hit this purple button here, and then I'm going to say YouTube. I'm going to go YouTube, watch for a new comment. Watch for comment in. So you could either choose to watch comments on a certain video, or you could do a whole channel. And for this demo, we've mapped it to this video. So if you comment boom, B-O-O-M, then you'll see the response that it gives. Just give it a try. I'm just going to say video, and then I'm going to map our video. For this example, I've just taken a previous video that we did last week, and everything after the equal sign you need to copy. Go back to your make.com, put in the video ID, just hit OK. Moderation, I'm just leaving that as is. Search term, so if I say boom, that's what people can put in, and then it will auto respond to that. So then I'm just going to limit it to 1. That would be 1 response. I'm going to say from now on. If I have 100 comments already, I could just say all, and then it will start doing all the comments systematically. So I'm just going to say from now on. Next thing you need is another YouTube, because we're just responding to a post. So I'll reply to a comment. Comment ID. I need to get this ID from this first part of the build. And when I click on here, I already see that it's mapping straight to that one. You can see that because it pulses. So comment ID, and then you can put your message in here. And I'm going to go, boom, it works. And then I'm going to put a link to our school community where you can find like-minded people building loads of stuff like this. And if you've seen any value in this video so far, just hit the like icon and the bell icon. You'll be notified every time we have a new video uploaded. Right, I'm just going to carry on. I'm going to hit OK, and now it should run. So what I'm going to say, I'm going to let it run every 15 minutes, every hour. I'm just going to switch our automation on. Oh, I need to save it first. Integration, I'm just going to go to YouTube, and then I'm going to go save, and now I can switch it on. So every 15 minutes it will run automatically. You could do that every minute, so it'll be a quick response. You could do it every hour, whatever you want. It's up to you. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.